Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Motor Match, and today I'll be giving you a 360 exterior and interior tour on this Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI R-Line DSG. All our Motor Match cars come with a 30-day warranty or a 1,000-mile warranty, depending on which comes first. However, we also offer an RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years, which is available with most of our cars. If you'd like to inquire about this car, you can contact us on 01785 899 474. So to start off with, this car has LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, good for illuminating the road ahead of you, as well as 20-inch Suzuka alloys. As we pan up the car, you can see the chrome trim around the windows. You also have roof rails, good for adding extra storage. As we go into the back, you can see the grey and black interior, which give this car a very sophisticated look. The driver's side and the passenger side seats have trays on them. This could be good for if you have children. Perhaps they could do some colouring whilst on any long journey you may take, as they would have something to lean on. As we head to the boot, this boot is a powered boot lid, meaning you can open it up by a simple press of a button. You also have a very large boot space, which is ideal if you have been looking for a car with lots of boot space. This car could be ideal for you. And you simply close it up again by a press of a button. As we head to the front seats, you can see the multifunctional steering wheel as well as your entertainment system. You can also see the silver finishings found throughout the front of the car. This car also has a sliding panoramic sunroof, good for allowing all the natural lighting possible. On the front seats, you can see the R-Line embossing. That's it for your exterior and interior tour. Let's head inside for some of those high-tech features. So have your electronic window controls as well as wing mirror controls. The wing mirrors are also heated. You also have your Dyne Audio sound system, good for enhancing all your favourite songs. You also have your hands-free controls and voice control options, as well as your cruise control and volume controls. Taking a look at the dash, this car has done 23,544 miles. However, this is subject to change due to test drives. You are able to change what you see in your information panel, whether that's from audio to telephone to the vehicle's status, your driving data, or your assist systems, or the navigation, the direction you are travelling in. On your entertainment display, you have your DAB radio. You also have your USB and aux port input for your media source, as well as Bluetooth connectivity for your phone. You also have a navigation system, good for planning those long journeys you may take in this car. And you also have a Think Blue trainer. On this screen, you can access Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink and Android Auto. This means you could use Google Maps or Apple Maps if you plug your phone into the car. You can also access the climate control. This car has a 3-zone climate control, ensuring that you and your passengers can all be sat at comfortable temperatures. You can also change how hard the blowers are blowing, whether it's low, medium or high. You're also able to change your temperatures here. Moving to the actual climate control, you have heated seats for the front seats, both the driver and passenger seats. You also have your aux and USB points, as well as your different driving modes, good for all terrain. Hidden away nicely, you have your 2 cup holders. If you press these 2 little buttons, it pops out some holders which will keep your drinks in there nice and securely, as well as a centre console storage compartment. Thank you for watching this video. All our Motor Match cars come with a 30-day warranty or a 1,000-mile warranty, depending on which comes first. However, we also offer an RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years, which is available with most of our cars, as well as flexible finance packages specifically tailored to you. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For a personalised quote or to book a test drive, you can contact us on 01785 899 474.